Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming identity and account details. This prevents delays. Go to the UCO Bank net banking page or plan a branch visit. Bring original ID, passbook, and debit card. Once ready, choose the Change Mobile Number option under Profile Settings or ask the teller for the request form at the counter. Fill in the new mobile number carefully. Mistakes cause OTP failures. Make sure the account number matches your ID. Because authentication, once you submit the new number, UCO Bank triggers multi-step verification to secure the change. If online, you'll receive an OTP on both old and new numbers. Enter both to prove control. If at the branch, the staff will verify your ID copy and send an OTP to confirm the new number. You will sign a form. This dual confirmation prevents fraud, so follow prompts exactly and keep both phones handy until confirmation completes. Finish by entering the final OTP and waiting for an immediate confirmation message. This completes the update. Make sure to log out and log back into net banking to verify the new number appears. If the OTP does not arrive, request a resend after 60 seconds or use the alternate verification option. Sometimes network delays cause issues. If changes don't reflect within 24 hours, call UCO Customer Care or visit the branch with the reference ID to resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.